Hello everyone, dear friends. In this video, we continue trading using my favorite strategy based on the RSI indicator. This strategy demonstrates very high effectiveness, so make sure to watch this video until the end. And don't forget about my Telegram channel. In my Telegram channel, I share daily reports on trading sessions with the team in the VIP channel. Here's a report from the latest trading session. Here, we secured 9 profitable trades. By the way, we trade twice a day on weekdays and once a day on weekends. I also share my life in my Telegram channel and regularly hold giveaways. And here's a report on the latest giveaway. Here, the winner received $1,000. I've also created free educational material for beginners in trading. It's completely free. In other words, I'm not selling anything. If you want to get access to the educational material or join the VIP channel, you can simply go to my Telegram channel and send me a direct message. Here's my contact. So for today's session, we are trading on OTC currency pairs because on OTC you can open quick, short-term trades. Our trades will last 15 seconds, and that is the reason why we are trading on OTC currency pairs today. Now, the chart type we are using is candlestick, the time frame is 15 seconds, and as I already mentioned, we open trades for 15 seconds. The indicator we need is the RSI indicator. Now let's set up the RSI indicator. There's nothing that needs to be changed here. Now let's go to this tab. Here, instead of 70, set it to 75, and here, instead of 30, set it to 25. Actually, no, let's set it to 20 instead of 25. Here, instead of 75, let's set it to 80. Now let's make the lines a bit thicker, set them to 2 pixels. Alright. Okay, and here add one more and click save. Excellent. And now, as you can see, we have the RSI indicator appearing at the bottom of the screen. Here there's the overbought zone, which is 80, and the oversold zone, which is 20. If the price touches our overbought zone, that's 80, then we look for trades to go down. And we also have the oversold zone, that's 20. If the price touches this zone, we look for trades to go up, like here, where the price approached and bounced upward. And here, there was a similar situation, that is, the price bounced off the oversold zone and went up. And here as well, we had a similar situation, the price bounced and went up. And now we can clearly see that a very similar situation happened right here too. Now, let me show you a few more examples where the price bounced directly off the overbought zone. Here is another good example, the price bounced off the overbought zone and then steadily went down. So this is how this strategy actually works in practice. Now let's clear away all of these indicator arrows from our chart and add our OTC currency pairs to our favorites list. With this particular strategy, we will have to constantly cycle through our different currency pairs very often in order to find a perfect entry point for a trade. So right now we need to patiently wait and identify a specific moment when the price is moving very close to one of the zones. Here, the price didn't quite reach the overbought zone, so we will refrain from opening a new trade position at this exact moment. Here we have a good opportunity. The current market price has pushed significantly further into the overbought zone. Given this situation, we will now open sell trades for the move down. Alright, okay, let's watch. We can clearly see that the price was moving in an upward direction for quite a long time, and now a significant reversal downward has finally started. So we've successfully initiated 2 trading positions, and I truly think the movement will continue downward. That's why I believe it would be a good idea to open a couple more trades to go down. Alright. Yes, let's open a couple more trades to go down. We can see that a rather strong reversal has started. Alright. Excellent. Let's mark our maximum here. That is, the price touched it and went down. So 2 more trades have gone through for us. Excellent. Alright, okay. Let's change the currency pair. Let's go over here and look for one. Okay. The primary challenge of this particular strategy is in finding the absolutely ideal moment to enter a trade. Alright, let us open 2 separate trades for an increase right here. The price just barely missed touching our oversold zone, so it is possible that I acted a little bit too quickly, but let us patiently observe and see how this turns out in the end. So one trade was successful, the other was not. That's exactly why it's risky to open trades when the price doesn't touch the oversold zone line directly. So, dear friends, don't rush. When trading with this strategy, the price needs to touch this zone directly. Alright, excellent. 2 trades were successful. We've recovered a bit of our loss and moved into profit. Okay. Now, I think this looks like a really solid entry point for us. We opened 2 trades for an increase because a reversal upwards has already started here, so we opened trades for an increase. Alright, let's watch. Okay. Excellent. Both trades closed in profit. Alright. I suppose that is interesting. Alright, maybe. Let us just wait and see exactly what happens next as it unfolds. I don't know if it's worth continuing to open trades for an increase here. Alright, let's go ahead and change the currency pair now. After all, the price has already moved quite far away from the oversold, the overbought zone. Okay, let's take a moment to find a really good currency pair to open a new trade. Here is a perfect opportunity. We are going to open 2 trades for an increase. We can see that a reversal upward was already starting there, so we open trades for an increase. It's very important with this strategy to develop your ability to spot patterns so that you can work more and more effectively with this strategy. Alright, excellent. Both trades closed in profit. Alright, let's switch to another currency pair because the price has already moved far away from the oversold zone there. Okay. Here's a good moment. We open a trade for a decrease because the price has already started to reverse downward, so we open trades for a decrease. Let's watch. A big advantage of this strategy is that it practically doesn't require technical analysis. Alright, excellent. 2 of our trades were profitable. That's very good. Okay. I honestly think it would be a pretty bad idea to keep trading right here at this moment, so let's go ahead and change the trade amount. So right now, if you look, my balance is up by plus about $1,000 in total. Now I have decided to set it to about $100 per individual trade. Alright, let's see how this goes. We're looking for a perfectly suitable opportunity to open a trade. Looking at the chart right here, we could potentially think about initiating a trade. The price is going up, approaching our oversold zone. Overbought zone, sorry. And right now, at this moment, a reversal has gradually beginning to take place. Here we have the closest significant level of support. Alright, let's open it up and observe exactly what is happening here. So, the market price has gradually started to reverse its direction, but most likely, yes, it looks like 2 of our previous trades have closed at a loss. Now let's go ahead and open 4 more trades for a price decrease. So we see that there's a bit of an upward reversal happening right now. Oh, that's actually great. A downward reversal has started and our trades will most likely go through now. Yes, excellent. 4 of our trades closed in profit. So let's open a few more trades. So we're looking. By the way, that's exactly why, dear friends, it's very important to wait until the price touches one of the zones, so that it actually touches one of the lines of the oversold or overbought zones. So let's open 2 trades for an increase here now. Alright. Okay, the price is going up. Everything is good. I think both trades will go through without any problems. Let's watch. Alright, excellent. Both trades closed in profit. Alright then. Let's try to open just a couple more trades right now, and then we will wrap everything up for today. So let's look for a really good moment to... Wait, here is a perfect moment right here. The price is right at the oversold zone. So we will open 2 trades for an increase and observe the market. Alright, the price is looking quite good. Alright, let's see. Okay, we have a green candle forming upwards, so that's great. Both trades closed in profit. Everything is good. On this note, dear friends, we will wrap up this video. Be sure not to rush with this strategy. Wait until the price touches the oversold or overbought zone. That's all for now, dear friends. Thank you all for watching. Subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and write comments. The link to my Telegram channel will be in the comments under this video and in the description. Bye bye everyone.